Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the fastest checks so you can fix the zoom now. First, press and hold Control and tap 0 or Control plus Shift plus 0 to reset page zoom. This often restores normal view immediately. If that does nothing, inspect the top right menu, click Time, open Settings, and verify Accessibility Magnifier is off. Also make sure an external mouse or touchpad isn't triggering pinch to zoom. Once done, you'll know whether this is a simple zoom reset or something deeper to address next. Next, dig into display controls so you fix underlying scale issues. Open Settings, go to Device then Displays, and check the scale setting. Set it to 100% or the recommended value for your screen. If text still looks huge, open Accessibility and turn off full screen magnifier and text-to-speech zoom features. They can override normal scaling. Make sure Chrome extensions aren't forcing zoom by testing in a guest profile or incognito. Once you adjust scale and accessibility, your Chromebook should look correct again. Finish by clearing temporary causes and applying a full reset when needed. Restart your Chromebook first. That often clears stuck display states. If the zoom problem persists, consider a power wash only after backing up files. This resets user settings that might force zoom. You can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus to review shortcuts and ensure you didn't accidentally trigger zoom keys. If none of these fix it, update Chrome OS and, if necessary, contact manufacturer support. Tip: test another account to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.